you think about projects, your average person thinks about a construction project in their environment. Many people who work on construction projects start with PMI, right? They start by getting their PMP and things of that nature. But what we've heard is that when you're managing a project for construction, it is vastly different than, say, an IT project. So we felt that as the authority in project management, we could really help this industry segment by really refining what's available out there to really think about how the construction industry is changing, different types of competencies needed in a modern environment, and really contribute to those projects performing better.
The courses that we are creating at PMI, they're focused on the problems in the industry, initially at a high level. So it's talking about what are the problems, and every time that we've gone through a different course, whether that's in communication or risk management or technology in construction, it doesn't matter what the topic is, we've always kept what is the pain point in mind and how can we minimize or alleviate that pain point to improve the delivery of projects on a global scale.
And we put together a panel of experts from across the globe, but all of them had one thing in common, and that was that they had a lot of experience leading large mega projects across the globe in the built environment. So they understood the challenges and the pain points very intimately. These subject matter experts then determined, hey, if we assume someone has this level of experience and this is their competency, how might we grow it so that they could take on the biggest, the most important, the most sophisticated built environment projects? So first of all, it includes some courses. There are about 7 courses that are bite-sized. So it allows learners to really engage with the curriculum, learn about ways of working, include things like case studies that really bring the learning to life, give them real ways they can apply that as they're going through their learning journey. We augment that with testing. So we have some micro-credentials for some of the key content included in the curriculum that really allows people to see how their competency has improved from the beginning of that micro-credential or that learning journey to the end. And then once you're prepared and ready, you can take this Capstone Examination, which really is going to be testing on all of the competencies that we're focusing on in the curriculum and really demonstrate to the world once you've passed that you're ready to take on construction projects, built environment projects, in a way that's really going to be modern, aligned to new ways of working, and really trying to get those results that your organization needs in their built environment projects.
And we also find that the types of topics that we're talking about, such as the communication in built environment projects, it's something that can be used not just in the construction industry, but it'll actually help you in other aspects of what you're doing. Just looking at the quality of the courses that we're already starting to develop here, it's very exciting and so helpful. It's definitely something that I would have loved to have in my junior years and all the way through to the projects that I've been working on recently.